The welcome that builds a 2-year plus relationship. Most NDIS providers work incredibly hard to get a new participant. The networking, the intake calls, the scheduling, the matching, all of that effort to reach the moment where a participant says yes. And then nothing. The shift happens, another shift follows, an invoice goes out, and the provider moves on to the next thing. No designed welcome, no deliberate first experience, no signal that says, you made the right choice coming to us. Here is what I want to offer you. The first 14 days of a participant's experience with your business determine whether they stay for 2 months or 2 years. Not the first 6 months, the first 14 days. That window is when a participant and their family form the impression that shapes everything. Their loyalty, their referral behavior, their tolerance when things occasionally go wrong. Most providers leave that window entirely to chance. The ones who design it deliberately build something that compounds quietly for years. Onboarding is operational. Paperwork, compliance, scheduling. A welcome experience is relational. It is the deliberate set of signals you send in the first 14 days that tell the participant and their family, you matter here, and you made the right decision. Those signals do not have to be elaborate. They do not require expensive technology. They require intention. A deliberate decision that the first 14 days of every participant's experience will be designed, not left to chance. When there is no designed welcome, here is what families experience. Paperwork, a shift time, silence, until something needs to happen. That experience is not bad, it's impersonal. And impersonal in a sector where people are placing enormous trust in you creates low-grade uncertainty that never quite resolves. That uncertainty becomes the lens through which every subsequent interaction is interpreted. The worker who is 5 minutes late confirms it. The invoice with an error confirms it. And 6 months later, when the family quietly moves to another provider, the business is surprised. Nothing went dramatically wrong. The relationship just never had a foundation. 5 elements of a welcome experience that builds loyalty. A personal contact before the first shift. A call or personal message that names the worker, sets expectations for Thursday's visit, and gives the family a direct number. 5 minutes makes a significant impact. A 24-hour debrief after the first shift. A call or message asking how it went. Not a form, a human question. This catches small concerns before they become exit conversations. A week 1 message to the referring coordinator. 2 sentences. The first week has gone well. Sarah and Michael connected well. That message builds your referral relationship without you ever asking for another referral. A 30-day check-in conversation. Not a survey, a real call. What is working? What could be adjusted? This creates loyalty that is remarkably hard for another provider to displace. A named point of contact. 1 person, 1 number. The family knows who their person is. That removes the anxiety of not knowing who to call. Your 1 action for today. Think about the last 3 participants your business welcomed. For each one, did they receive a personal contact before the first shift? Did someone call within 24 hours? Did they have a named point of contact? Choose 1 missing element. Build it in from this week as standard, not optional. Every participant, every time. The welcome is not a nice to have. It is the strategy. Subscribe if this shifted how you think about what happens after a participant says yes.